Hello guys and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we will do a little tutorial on how to create an JavaScript automatic wait conversation tool or something like that. You can see I have my new website which is currently in the building process here, and this is a sample review of the biodynamic DT770 Pro, and it has a weight of 278 grams. So, yeah, maybe you don't like using the metric system or whatever. It basically is just to demonstrate the technique I used. And you can see there's a little dotted line there below that, so it hints you can do something with it. And so we will just hover over there, and you can see yeah, there are wait conversations which you can look at actually. And yeah, to show you what really is possible with that system, I will just change with you the wait quickly, and you'll see it changes dynamically. So if I go into this file, you can see here I have a span with the class wait and just the wait in there and nothing else. So if we have like 87 grams, you can see we changed it. When you hover over there, it's 1.29 kilograms. Yeah, so how did we do that? That's basically pretty simple. So we have this span class right here with the weight inside of there. It's fairly important to have a space between the actual amount of the weight and the grams, or the gram symbol. Not because it's just correct thing to do, but because our system wouldn't work otherwise. And yeah, so how do we do the magic behind that? First of all, we create a function in JavaScript called convert weights. And yeah, in that we add a for loop which basically cycles through every element on the site with the class name weight. And yeah, for every weight element, basically, we extract the grams out of there in just by splitting the inner HTML. So basically, the text in there where we can find a space. So basically, between the weight and the grams. So now we just calculate the kilograms, the ounces, and the pounds. You can do that just by multiplying it with the conversation rate. Yeah, I used the round function right here, so it's basically rounded to 2 decimal points. Yeah, but you obviously don't have to do that. So after that, we create the tooltip element. We do that by by using the document.createElement function in JavaScript, and we create a span with that. We give the span a class so our CSS can apply, and we add the header of the tooltip. After that, we just create a simple unordered list and add every element in there. Then we just append the list to the tooltip and the tooltip to the body. Yeah, you can look at the code here in detail. So when we add the text to the unordered list, we create an element, a normal list element, and we append a child in there, which is basically just a text node in which we print the text of the weight in the kilograms, ounces, and pounds, and add the symbol behind there. So basically kg, oz, or lb. And yeah, then we just need to run the function. We can add as many weights as we want in there, and that's it basically. I hope I showed you a neat little trick and have fun using it.